Hi Skin Games, it's Kisha Hamilton in Goodyear, Arizona. I'm a licensed esthetician and this is week 4 of my compromised skin case study with Carol Perez. At this point in Carol's case study, I was seeing how strongly her stress levels affected her skin. On days when she was emotionally overwhelmed, her erythema and dermatitis were much more active. For this treatment, I focused heavily on cryotherapy and lymphatic drainage. I mixed a hydrating mask using a Glide Gel and Recovery Booster Serum by Neoenesis, then used the cold therapy to help calm the heat and inflammation in her skin. As I worked, I kept my movement slow and pressure light. This wasn't just about calming her skin, it was also about calming her nervous system. I noticed that as her breathing slowed, the redness in her face began to decrease. After removing the mask with cool 4x4 SD wipes, her skin looked visibly calmer and more hydrated, even though some erythema still remained. This session really enforced for me how closely Carol's emotional state and skin health are connected. Thank you so much for watching this week's video for my compromised category, and I will see you in the next video.